Guys, you do not ever tamper with fire alarms in any way. You don't screw them or unscrew them or take them off the wall or ceiling. And you don't ever pop the cover off of the fire alarm. Don't ever disable the fire alarm system. And you don't ever paint the fire alarm. These are things you should never do in public. You don't take the fire alarm off the wall. You don't vandalize it. You don't pull it. Only when there's an emergency is when you pull it. And you don't adjust the volume with it. And you don't do any of that. If you want to do it with your own alarm, that is totally fine. But if you're doing it with an alarm in public, then that will get you into a lot of trouble. Also, don't ever smash the fire alarm either. That will definitely get you into big trouble. These are things you should never, ever do in public with fire alarms. Bye.